Again everyone, so my camera is quite reverse for now, so I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna make a short video how to start a car or an automatic car. So we have here the key. So an automatic car, you just have to press the door here, open, and here is closed. So for now is we're gonna insert the key here, and when you start the car, be sure that your feet is in the foot brake. Always perform foot brake before you start your car. So I'm going to press the foot brake, and then we're gonna start the car. First click, then you see the lights is on, then second, then third is the start. So that's so easy in how you start a car. So if you are a beginners, you can just do that also easily. Perform it. Then you can let go your foot brake and well, wait for a while. My nose is itchy. So that's how you're gonna start your car. So the car is starting. The car is starting. So here we are. So later on we're gonna throw some garbage. So when you put off your car or turn off your car, turn it off. So foot brake again, then off the car. Then you move a little bit your steering wheel so that it is lock. Make it lock. Make it lock, make it drop. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So we have to put this one in the box and close. Then let's go, we're done. Bye.